Wrinkles and fine lines, they creep up faster than we expect, and if you're like most people, you're told the only way to fight them is through pricey creams or injections. But what if the real solution is already inside you? A few years ago, I noticed the lines around my eyes and mouth deepening. I wasn't ready to accept it as just getting older. I dug deep into the science of aging and natural cellular repair. What I discovered changed my life, and it can change yours too. The real vehicle to youthful skin isn't creams or serums. It's your body's own ability to regenerate cells. The problem? That ability slows down as we age, but you can switch it back on through natural cellular activation techniques. Think of it like flipping the lights back on inside your skin. Most people think, I'm too old for change to make a difference. That's just not true. When you give your body the right tools, nutrients, hydration, and simple routines, it responds. I've seen men and women in their 40s, 50s, and 60s take 10 years off their appearance naturally. Even if you're super busy or skeptical, this works. No need for invasive treatments or expensive products. These methods are natural, affordable, and proven, and I've guided countless clients to do the same from the comfort of their home. If you want to wake up feeling younger and more confident in your skin, book your free 30-minute consultation with me. I'll show you how to activate your body's own repair system and reduce fine lines the natural way.